Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with .NET Framework. Whenever you're trying to install it, you got the error .NET Framework is not supported on this operating system. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, you need to download a Windows update with the name KB4474419. To do so, open up your browser and in the search item type in the name, which is KB4474419, and then hit the search button. So depending upon the type of Windows you have, if you have Windows Server or standard Windows 7 or Windows 7 64 based, Windows 7 32 based PC. So again, depending upon the type of operating system you have, go ahead, download it into your PC, click on the link. This will go ahead and save it into your PC. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead, run this particular file, and this will install the updates in your system and in turns help you fix out the issue of .NET Framework is not supported in your operating system. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the second step. In second step, all you need to do is to update your operating system. So head over to settings menu, choose Windows Update, and if any update is pending at your end, you need to choose the option download and install to make your operating system up to date, because .NET Framework required Windows 10 version 1709 or later. So make sure you update your Windows. And if updating from the settings menu doesn't help you out, open up your web browser and here is the official website of the Microsoft. You need to download Windows 10 Update Assistant. Click on the option Update Now, save it into your PC. Once it is saved, go ahead, run it. As soon as you run the program, it will automatically check for the updates, and if any update is available, it will ask you to download and install. So proceed with the instructions and then install it in your PC, and this will completely fix out the issue of .NET Framework is not supported on this operating system. Now if both these methods fail to work out, the last hope you have is to edit your registries keys in order to install .NET Framework. To do so, I have this registry keys that I have taken directly from the Microsoft website. You can even verify the same. Here is the official website of Microsoft, and these are the keys that I have copied right in this desktop file. So go ahead, you need to copy these keys, then click on the file menu and choose the option save. Save it into your desktop. In the file name, give it a name as key.reg. In save as type, choose the option all files and then click on the option save. Now close it. Now here is the file that we have just created. Now click on start menu and type regedit. Open the registry editor. Now here you need to import this particular key. So click on the file menu, choose the option import, select the saved file and then click on the option open. You can see the keys and values has been successfully added to the registry. Hit the OK button. Now close it. Now all you need to do is to restart your PC before reinstalling .NET Framework. After restarting, go ahead, reinstall .NET Framework, and this will completely fix out the issue of .NET Framework is not supported on this operating system. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.